Is your Bluetooth missing on your laptop or your earbuds not connecting properly? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple fixes for Bluetooth problems on Windows 11 and 10. Let's fix it step by step. Before jumping to the tutorial, request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Step number 1. Turn Bluetooth off and on. Click on the taskbar icons, find Bluetooth option, just disable it once, again enable it. Wait for 5 seconds to scan the new devices and connect with them. Step number 2. Restart Bluetooth services. If it is still not working, well, restart the Bluetooth services. Press Windows plus R key to open the run. Now type services.msc. Hit enter. Services window will appear. Scroll down and find Bluetooth support service. Right click on that, then select restart. Say yes to restart it. Wait for few seconds. Now try to connect with your device. Close the window. Step number 3. Remove and reconnect device. Go to the Windows search bar, search for settings. Open the settings app. Find Bluetooth and devices. Click on that. Now find the connected devices here. Click on the 3 dot besides on them and click remove device. Now click add device. Select Bluetooth. Now reconnect your earbuds and say done. Close the window. Step number 4. Update Bluetooth driver. If Bluetooth is still failing, your driver may be outdated. Go to the Windows search bar, search for Device Manager, open it, find Bluetooth, double click on that to expand, right click on the Bluetooth device or driver, select Update Driver. Make sure you have connected with internet and hit on the search automatically for drivers. It will install the latest drivers for you. Once you're done, close the window. If it is still not working, again right click on the driver, select Update Driver, then select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then let me pick from a list of available. Select the latest one and hit Next to install. Once you're done, close the window. Step number 5. Reinstall Bluetooth driver. Again open the Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth. Right click on the Bluetooth driver. Then uninstall it. Don't worry, once you uninstall, after the restart your laptop, it will automatically reinstalls for you. Just uninstall and restart your PC. Step number 6. Run Bluetooth troubleshooter. Right click on the start menu, then select settings. Select system, scroll down and find troubleshoot. Click on that. You will find other troubleshooter. Open it. Find Bluetooth here and run the troubleshooter. Now Windows will automatically detect Bluetooth issues. Step 7. Final fix for missing Bluetooth toggle. If your Bluetooth button completely disappeared, try this. Open the Device Manager again. Go to the View menu, then select Show Hidden Devices. Double click on the Bluetooth drivers. If you found any hidden or grayed devices, right click on them and uninstall and restart. So that's it guys. If this video helped fix your Bluetooth problems, please like this video, subscribe to Fix Office and comment which device you connected successfully. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.